Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today I have again one other perfume series from Boadicea The Victorious. I have the sample. This is actually the perfume which is Decade. So this is the sample. I will show the bottle over here. So this is the sample of Boadicea The Victorious Decade. So let's see how this actually smells like and how this perfume is actually like. So let's open up a new one. So I forgot to open my tester strips. So here is one strip. So let's spray this Decade by very elegant start, kind of light syrupy rose. Very fresh, delicate rose in the start. It seems like you are sniffing a pink rose, light pink rose, and the petal of a light pink rose. Very light smell that is not overwhelming or spiky at all. A bit woody in the background. Very nice woody, fresh kind of feeling to it. Fresh, light woody, rosy. This is very refreshing scent, okay? So this is really refreshing. Let's spray once more. Light aldehyde kind of vibe in the start, just for the initial spray. But it is very light, rosy, rose petal kind of scent. That is, there is a background, woody background to it. Maybe some fruit in the background, just to make it a bit rounded. Very nicely done, very nice scent. So actually I have like 10 or 15 samples from Boadicea The Victorious, and I think this is one of them which I really liked, Decade. I actually had separated 4 or 5 out of 15, and I think this one was one of them. Very nice, very refreshing scent. I would think that it would really suit a lady who is above 30s. Really nice scent. Even I think a man can also pull this off, but it is really nice, refreshing, rose woody kind of scent. So this is my review about Decade from Boadicea The Victorious. I hope you have enjoyed this review. It is not syrupy at all. It is very delicate rose petal on a wooden stem. This is how I would describe this perfume. Very nicely done. Decade from Boadicea The Victorious. I hope you have enjoyed this review. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.